Hey everyone, this is Matthew Gates talking about an article for Skunk Magazine that I just wrote called Spores Play Dice, Resistance Testing Matters for Cannabis IPM. And I talked about this a lot in previous videos and posts, which is just this idea that pathogens like fungi and bacteria of cannabis and other plants, well, they're always producing like thousands of spores, and through an continuous line that's hundreds of millions of years old, these organisms have developed ways to damage or otherwise disrupt the plant immune system. So basically, you should watch out for resistance claims. People don't accurately test for resistance always, and for a long time in cannabis, that just wasn't really possible. So it's a thing that is becoming more common, and it's very common in agriculture. When you say that a plant is resistant, that means something very specific. And if you are wrong or you have no sort of proof for this, then a lot of people can be in trouble. And it's been my experience that many people are affected by these claims. They don't know any better. They think that there might be regulations when there aren't. They think that somebody is correct, and maybe the person thinks that they're correct who's providing seed or cuttings or whatever they're providing. But in fact, the plant is not resistant, or the plant isn't resistant for certain contexts, or they're not resistant to a general group of organisms. They're only resistant to a specific species or a specific subpopulation, which is what you test for when you're actually doing professional resistance testing in other crops. You look at the species, you look at the different populations and how different they are genetically, and in the case of things like powdery mildew or botrytis, there's vast differences among a single species because in different geographic areas they're exposed to different conditions, just like plants are, and that will modify them. And that is why spores play dice. They play dice with their progeny, and then those progeny that are successful, well, they pass on those successful traits to their next generation. And like I said, this has been going on for a very long time. If you'd like to know more, check out the article at Skunk Magazine. This is their spring and summer 2023 issue.